Good evening, YouTube. This is Sir Thrival. Welcome to another episode of the Sir Thrival Investing Channel. I'm here tonight to give you guys an update on my Dogecoin swing trade. I made a video earlier this week. It was from Thursday night, and at that time, I was going in to buy some Dogecoin. And at that time, Dogecoin was trading for far more than it's currently trading. As you can see on your screen right here, Dogecoin is trading for 33 cents. And this is coming off a high of 70 cents less than 2 weeks ago. And I think that it's really important for us to see this as an opportunity to make some money or lose some money. Because as I've been talking about this week, cryptocurrencies are under attack. They're under attack because, for one, the Chinese government has decided to ban cryptocurrency trading. Well, actually, they banned cryptocurrency trading in 2017, but they reiterated that they're really cracking down on cryptocurrency and also allowing citizens to invest in cryptocurrencies in markets outside of China. So they're really making it difficult for people in China to make money from cryptocurrencies, which is really not cool. But the Chinese government is doing this because they believe that it's going to protect their citizens. It's going to protect their finances. It's ultimately going to protect their wealth. And that's the thing about cryptocurrency. It is very volatile and unstable. And as a matter of fact, the Chinese government said that because of the volatility and the instability of cryptocurrencies, they don't feel like it's a safe asset. And because they don't feel like it's a safe asset, they're not allowing their citizens to freely trade it. And because of this, cryptocurrencies have been falling. Pretty much all of the major cryptocurrencies from Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Cardano, and many others have all suffered as a result of the Chinese government implementing these new restrictions on cryptocurrency trading. And that's going to impact the current price that we're seeing right now. But how long is the price going to be impacted? And should we see this as a buying opportunity? Remember what I always say, guys, red days are buying opportunities for us. And really, who wouldn't want to get cryptocurrency at the current price? Just remember, guys, before all this bad news, cryptocurrencies were trading for a lot more than they are right now. And although there's a lot of bad news and there's a lot of bad things going on in the market overall, and cryptocurrencies are impacted by all these different things, we got to look at this as a buying opportunity as well, especially if we're planning on holding cryptocurrencies for the next 3 to 5 years. I'm planning on holding mine for at least the next 3 to 5 years, and I think that this is a buying opportunity, and most importantly, just a way to make some money. So for this Dogecoin swing trade, right now, I'm planning on having a short-term and a long-term position, but it's very, very small. I'm not putting large amounts of money in the Dogecoin. Like I said in my last video, Mark Cuban has less than $2,000 of US dollars invested in Dogecoin. And Mark Cuban has a lot more money than I do, so I refuse to invest more in Dogecoin than Mark Cuban. But I do think it's interesting to invest in Dogecoin, seeing as it could be something that becomes bigger 3 to 5 years from now. And it would be awesome if Dogecoin was trading for $10 or $15 or $20, by that time period, especially since it's only trading for 33 cents right now. You can do the math, but I think that it's also important to understand what you're investing in. And Dogecoin doesn't have a fundamental value. There is nothing fundamentally supporting this 33 cents that we're seeing on the screen right now. The only thing that's really holding Dogecoin up right now is Elon Musk. And Elon Musk has been really kind of flaky recently, in his position on cryptocurrency. 1 minute he's supporting it, the next minute he's questioning it, the next minute he's buying it. And all these things have a direct impact on the valuation of Dogecoin and also Bitcoin and ultimately Ethereum. But I believe that there's opportunities, especially with Dogecoin, to make some quick swing trade money because it's so volatile. If you're able to catch it at this current price, then you may be able to double it, considering that the high was 70 cents per coin. And that was about 2 weeks ago, and now it's trading for 33 cents per coin. Now, I'm going to buy some more if it dips below 33 cents. I do believe that Dogecoin could see 30 cents or maybe even 28 cents sometime this week. It could even go all the way down to 24 cents. And that leads me to my ultimate strategy for investing in cryptocurrencies. I don't think that it's advantageous to buy a lot of coins or to invest a lot of money into crypto until we start the bull run. I think that it's important that we take our time and we start with a small position. And over time, as more people become involved in buying crypto, we start to add to our position. And to do this, we just have to make sure that we keep enough money in our buying power to really buy the dip with crypto. But for now, I'm just going to focus on doing some swing trades. So as we can see, Dogecoin is trading for about 33 cents per coin. There's a potential that it could go down to 24 cents per coin. There's also a potential it can run up to 40 cents. And there's also potential it can run all the way up to 70 cents. Now, I don't think that's going to happen until Dogecoin gets added to Coinbase. And I don't think that's going to happen unless Elon Musk comes out and says, more about Dogecoin. I think that there's opportunities to benefit from the fluctuations, Like if Dogecoin hits 40 cents, I'm just going to sell and take a little bit of profit that I can and just wait for it to dip down again and just buy back in again. And I'm going to do this with small amounts of money, nothing big, nothing fancy, nothing too heavy. It's going to be a little bit of money, just a little bit, over time. And once Dogecoin really proves itself, at that point, I will continue to add to the position for a long term, So I have a short-term position and a long-term position, The short-term position is half. The long-term position is the rest of it. You know what I'm saying? And I think that in the next 3 to 5 years, Dogecoin could be, worth a lot more than it is right now. Probably not like on a Bitcoin or Ethereum level, but it's going to be something substantial, especially from this current valuation. So I see it as a high risk, high reward. The more risk that you add, the worse it's going to be. And the way that you add more risk is to put more money and put more leverage into that money. Like, it would totally be dumb to buy a bunch of Dogecoin on margin, It would be dumb to just buy a bunch of Dogecoin and just say it's going to go to the moon, and then it plummets and you get a margin call, and then you have to, lose all that money. So don't do anything stupid with Dogecoin. I think that it's fun to get a little bit. I do think that it's high risk, but I think to thrive in the stock apocalypse, you got to take some high risks in order to get some of those high rewards. And this concludes another episode of the Sir Thrival Investing Channel. I'm your host, Sir Thrival. And remember, guys, in order to survive in the stock market, you got to take risks. Red days are buying opportunities for us. And ultimately, at the end of the day, hey, as long as you're investing long term, you never lose unless you sell.